Hey guys, it's Miss Teeter. Welcome back from spring break. I hope that you had a great time. I am recording this from Pennsylvania, where I'm staying with my family. It's been lovely. So I'm really excited about this next unit that you guys are going to be working on in sculpture. We're going to be working with the human figure and creating sculptures out of wire and aluminum foil and plaster strips. And we're really trying to create a lot of energy and meaning and an awesome composition with these sculptures. So first, in order to prepare for some really good sculptures, we're going to do a little bit of an art history lesson. You'll be able to log into Canvas to access all of this. You're going to study and analyze some art history to see how the figurative sculpture has evolved throughout history and throughout different cultures. You'll be analyzing different themes in figurative art throughout time and across cultures, and you'll be coming up with some of your own ideas. So, like I said, on Canvas, make sure that you log in, or you could watch this as a group. I want you to really read carefully. I put, oh my gosh, probably way too much time into this, like 10 hours, just researching lots of art history and trying to find good information for you guys and good images. So please do read it. I put a lot of thought and a lot of energy into it to make it just for you guys. I also inserted some videos, so if you click the links, you can watch those, and they're great, and they really help to bring the art history to life a little bit more. And I've kind of summarized a little bit of a theme for each culture and time period, and so you'll be able to kind of reflect on that theme and then think of some of your own ideas with that theme, whether it's power, survival, glory, emotions. It's going to be pretty neat. So think of some good ideas and work thoughtfully to answer those on the handout that you're provided with, and make sure you turn that in. So once you've got your good art history base, you will be learning some of the sculpting methods and techniques for this project. Like I said, we're going to be using wire and some aluminum foil and plaster. You'll have to think about composition. So we'll go back to some of those art history images and see how those artists arranged their composition and really started to draw their figures sculpturally with line. And you guys will actually do some drawing exercises to help with that. And of course, you'll be working to create meaning with your pieces. So you can go back to themes that you've been working with in the past, or you could explore something new. You might find some inspiration from some of the prompts in the art history lesson. And you'll do some thumbnail sketches, of course, to explore a bunch of different ideas. So overall, it's going to be a really fun project. I'm so excited to see what you guys are going to come up with. There's just a infinite number of possibilities that you can do to create some really dynamic sculptures. You'll have different options for how you want to finish them. My suggestion is maybe adding bronze or silver or gold spray paint to give it a metallic look when it's finished, but we can cross that bridge when we come to it. There's lots and lots of different options. So I hope you guys have fun. Start with that art history lesson, and I think it's going to help you out a lot to be successful with this project. I wish I could be there, but you have awesome sub this week. You have Dave. You guys are going to have a great time. He's a great artist, and help each other out. Of course, being in that shared studio class, you have a great opportunity to work together, to, put your brains together and come up with some great ideas and some really good problem solving and make these great. So have fun. Okay, miss you guys. Bye.